Hi Year 9, here is my answers to question 8 and 9. Question 8 says a miniature rocket blasts off at an angle of 45 degrees and then after a few seconds reaches a height of 350 metres above the ground. At this point, it has also covered a horizontal distance of 350 metres. How far has the rocket travelled to the nearest metre? Well, if you remember, opposite the right angle is the hypotenuse, which is c in the formula. Okay? Oh, can't write on it. Let me see if I can do that now. No, let's see. There we go. And the other two sides, the horizontal and the vertical, are the A and the B. All right? Okay. Let me see if I can done. Okay, so now I'll go back. So I'm going to use those two numbers, 350 and 350 on the A and B sides, and I'm going to put them into c squared equals a squared plus b squared. So that gives me this. C squared equals 350 squared plus 350 squared. Now put that into your calculator, you get 245,000. Now the opposite of squaring is square root. Right, so when you put that in your calculator, you get 494.97. But our question only wants it, how far has the rocket travelled to the nearest metre? So that means I have to round my answer up to the nearest whole number, which in this case is 495. So that's question 8. So question 9 says, find the length of the longest rod as shown that will fit inside a cylinder of height 2.1 and with circular end surface of 1.2 metre diameter. Give your answer to one decimal place. So here's my picture. You'll notice that the rod goes straight through the middle, like where the hypotenuse goes. So that's my C. A and B can be either. I've made the height 2.1 the A, and I've made the diameter 1.2 the B. So I need to put those two into my formula. So here it is here, 2.1 squared plus 1.2 squared. Remember, they can be swapped. Doesn't really matter if they're the other way around. On my calculator, that gave me 5.85. The opposite of c squared is to do the square root, so I found the square root of 5.85. That gave me 2.41867, but if you reread the final line, it says give your answer to one decimal place. So 2.41867 to one decimal place is 2.4 metres.